it's Morgan with WTI.
I totally love these sage dinner napkins from Choice. They are so beautiful. The green color is just truly beautiful. I absolutely loved folding these and putting these out for a party that I helped throw. They are just really, really stunning. They looked so good with everything at the party. Again, that green color is so gorgeous. It's like a really light sage color. It looks so good with so many different things. They were really good quality. I appreciated that they were 2-ply and they felt like the perfect weight that you would want for a party. And they were pretty easy to fold up. I was able to do a fancy little trick here with my cutlery, and I just thought it was such a beautiful addition to the decor, and the color looked so beautiful. I definitely recommend these. Your guests would be impressed with these napkins at any gathering that you throw.
I love these napkins, and that's my point of view.